Artificial intelligence is trending right now, and many people are wondering how to make money using AI. Without a lengthy introduction, let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence and explore how you can leverage it to generate income. Inspired by the visionary Elon Musk, we're going to explore 9 powerful ways to make money using AI. Whether you're an entrepreneur, tech enthusiast, or just curious about the future, these strategies will give you actionable insights to capitalize on this rapidly growing field. Number 1. AI-driven startups. First on the list is launching an AI-driven startup. From autonomous vehicles to AI-powered healthcare solutions, the possibilities are endless. With AI transforming industries, there's never been a better time to create innovative products and services. Take inspiration from Elon Musk's ventures like Tesla and Neuralink, where AI is at the core of groundbreaking developments. Number 2. AI-powered trading. Next, consider AI-powered trading. Algorithms can analyze market trends and make trades at lightning speed, far outperforming human capabilities. Whether it's in stock markets, cryptocurrencies, or Forex, AI can help you develop automated trading systems that generate consistent profits. Number 3. AI in content creation. AI isn't just about crunching numbers. It's also revolutionizing content creation. Tools powered by AI can help you generate articles, videos, and even music. You can monetize this content through blogs, YouTube channels, or social media, automating much of the creation process and scaling your output. Number 4. Personalized AI products. Another lucrative avenue is developing personalized AI products. Think about AI-powered apps that offer customized experiences, whether it's in fitness, education, or entertainment. Personalization is a huge selling point, and AI allows you to deliver unique solutions tailored to individual needs. Number 5. AI consulting services. If you're an expert in AI, offering consulting services is a great way to monetize your knowledge. Businesses are eager to implement AI but often don't know where to start. By guiding them through the process, you can create a profitable consulting business, helping companies innovate and grow. Number 6. AI in e-commerce. E-commerce is another field ripe for AI integration. From chatbots that handle customer service to AI-driven recommendation engines that increase sales, these technologies can enhance the customer experience and boost revenue. You can apply these tools to your own e-commerce business or offer them as a service to others. Number 7. AI-driven marketing. AI is transforming marketing by enabling hyper-targeted ad campaigns. AI can analyze consumer data to predict trends, optimize ad placements, and maximize ROI. By mastering AI-driven marketing, you can offer these services to businesses or use them to enhance your own marketing strategies. Number 8. AI in real estate. AI is also making waves in real estate. From automating property management to using AI for predictive analytics in real estate investments, there are numerous ways to use AI to streamline operations and increase profitability. This can be a game changer for real estate professionals and investors alike. Number 9. Investing in AI companies. Finally, consider investing in AI companies. As AI continues to grow, companies leading the charge are likely to see substantial growth. By investing in these companies early, you could benefit from their long-term success. Keep an eye on emerging AI startups or established tech giants that are heavily investing in AI. And there you have it, 9 ways to make money using AI, inspired by Elon Musk's forward-thinking approach. Whether you're looking to start a new venture, enhance an existing business, or simply invest in the future, AI offers countless opportunities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more insights like these. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more tech insights and financial tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below. How do you plan to use AI to make money?